Hi, welcome to the second video on how to set up the booking system. In this video we're going to look at the setup and the rooms tab, so that's settings and properties, then rooms. We have, as we mentioned before, two types of property. You've got an apartment or a villa, which is a single room property, and a hotel, which would be a multiple room property. Also, where you have a series of apartments, that would also be a multiple room property. So if we select just the apartment for the moment and then go and edit the room, we can actually look at the setup that's needed at this level. Firstly, obviously give the room a name. This can be a one for internal use, so you can put your own internal reference numbers on this. If you complete another field further down, then a different display name can be shown to the clients. Obviously, if you have several of these rooms, you can select if there's a double ensuite or something, or apartment, one bed apartment, whatever it is. You can say I've got 5 of these, and then you could go in here and just put down apartment 1, apartment 2, and so on and so forth. This is important. Select the maximum number of guests, and you must then select maximum number of adults and maximum number of children if you accept children. Don't leave these two blank. Minimum price, do not use. And there's nothing else you need to complete in this section for the website. We use the features at room level, so please go into here and add any of the relevant features that you have in your property or in your room. We ticked everything here because we were testing. Add the number of bedrooms to your property. Now obviously with a villa you're going to have a layout like this. With a single room for the hotel, it will just be a single bed layouts, and also add your bathrooms as well. This must be filled in, or we will not present the right information about your property on the website. Sell priority is very important. If you have more than one property, or more than one room within your property, this must be different. So do not have the sell priority set to 5 for all the rooms, or only one room will appear. Display name for the room. If you put something in here, make sure this is nice and customer facing. It will override what is written here. So this can be, again, repeating earlier, this can be a reference for an internal code. If you have one, this can be more client facing. Accommodation type, we do use this. So in the search, make sure, again, as I mentioned in the previous video, you keep the text consistent. Don't have a lowercase a, don't have a space, don't have apostrophes, don't have incorrect spellings. Keep this word consistent throughout. We jump into the hotel layout. As you can see with the hotel, we've got, or as we would say, multiple room properties. We do use room description. So please put some text in here, but understand that people will use mobile, so don't go too crazy with the length of text. Keep this element nice and punchy. If you need to add more information, then you can pop it into the auxiliary text. So that's really all you need to fill in at room level. Obviously with a hotel you need to make sure you do this for every single room. In the next video, we'll take you down through how to add the photographs and various other information into the system.